I'm Rebecca Rodrigues.
And I'm Nivedita.
I'm Siddharth.
And this is our proposed model titled Autonomous Unmanned Aerial Vehicle for Air Quality Monitoring in Industrial and Domestic Areas. The UAV or the Unmanned Aerial Vehicle we have used is a quadcopter, and this is the air quality monitoring system. Our main objective is to integrate the unmanned aerial vehicle with the air quality monitoring system, and we have used a quadcopter so that we can get a higher altitude and we can monitor air quality a more efficient way. And the air quality monitoring system we have used can measure temperature, pressure, humidity and specifically particulate matter.
The components used in this project are, first I'll start with the quadcopter. At the transmitter end, I've used FSIC 2.4 GHz. And here we have PICSOC at the receiver end. And for the power distribution, we are using LiPo battery, which is rated 3200 mAh. And we have ESC, electronic speed controller, rated 30 amps. And we have used 4 BLDC motor rated at 1 kV and 4 propellers. And the components used at our air quality monitoring hardware. So there's the transmitter end. At the transmitter end, we have used 9 volt battery, lithium ion battery. And we have used LoRa module at the transmitter end. And we have also used Arduino Nano and BME 280 sensor and PMS 5003 PM 2.5 sensor. And at the receiver end, we have used another LoRa module and Node MCU.
I'm going to explain about the methodology of this particular project. The transmitter will transmit the signal, and the flight controller is going to the distribution board, and the distribution board powers the ESCs and controls the motor speed according to which the drone is going to fly. And then the drone is going to fly in the directions in which we control. And then the air quality module is going to act like a transmitting and receiving module. The LoRa module, which acts as both transmitter and receiver, is used here. And this is the processor which we have used, is Arduino Nano. This is the PMS 5003 sensor which senses the data. So all the data like temperature, altitude, humidity and the particulate matter sensed by these devices is then sent to the receiving module, which will receive the values and then will display it on the computer screen, where it will display the values to us in the real-time values are displayed in the monitor. So to power this module, we have used this particular 9 volt battery which powers the transmitting module of the air quality monitoring system. So it will power this module and give us the real-time data.
Our future scope is we can increase air quality monitoring sensors to measure any other parameters.
And we can also implement control measures by increasing the payload of this quadcopter.
So this is the final working model of our final year project. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.